Hi guys, 99 reasons why, once again. Welcome to my channel. In today's review we're diving into the Dyson V15 Complete, a marvel of Dyson's advanced, intelligent cordless vacuum technology. Included in the box, V15 1 pipe, combination tool, crevice tool, specially designed for targeted cleaning in tight spaces and around edges. Digital motor bar cleaner head. It features motorized, deep cleaning from edge to edge, with detangling technology, smartly adjusting to various floor types. Fluffy optic cleaner head. It utilizes a precisely angled light blade to uncover double the invisible dust on hard floors. Hair screw tool. An anti-tangle brush bar that efficiently removes hair from pet beds. Wall dock. A wall-mounted dock that not only recharges your vacuum but also neatly organizes your tools. Wall charger. V15 Detect Vacuum. One clip to hold accessories. Quick release mini soft dusting brush. Facilitates easy dusting with vacuum assistance, featuring soft nylon bristles for gentle cleaning of delicate surfaces and fabrics. The Dyson V15 Detect is powered by the hyperdymium motor, reaching speeds up to 125 revolutions per minute to produce a robust 240 air watts of consistent, powerful suction. Its advanced 7-cell battery ensures up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning power, allowing you to thoroughly clean your entire home without fading performance. Delving into the innovative features of the Dyson V15 Detect, we explore the cutting-edge engineering that sets this vacuum apart. It's designed to identify and measure microscopic dust particles, offering tangible scientific evidence of its deep cleaning capabilities. Not only does it detect and quantify dust, but it also adjusts its suction power in real time when encountering larger volumes of dust. The integrated LCD screen provides real-time data on the particles it picks up, reinforcing the scientific proof of its deep cleaning efficacy. The fluffy optic cleaner head enhances visibility of invisible dust on hard floors, ensuring nothing is missed. In fact, it reveals twice as much invisible dust compared to other methods, automatically increasing suction power as needed. From my perspective, the Dyson V15 Detect Complete stands out as the premier handheld portable vacuum cleaner of 2023. Please subscribe and click the bell to be notified once we post a new video. Please share your thoughts and comments.